Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your OBS stream key and connect it to your streaming platform. Before we begin, it's important to understand that your stream key doesn't actually come from OBS itself. Instead, it comes from the streaming platform you're using, whether that's Twitch, YouTube, Kick, Facebook, or any other service. OBS simply uses that key to connect to your chosen platform. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to twitch.tv. Of course, you can choose any streaming platform you prefer, such as YouTube, Facebook, or others. The process is similar across most platforms, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on Twitch as an example. Once you're on the Twitch homepage, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your channel. At the top of the settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Channels and Videos. This section contains all the controls related to your streaming and video content, including the all-important stream key you'll need for broadcasting. Now, in the left panel of this page, you'll see a menu with different options. Click on Stream. This is where Twitch stores your unique stream key, which is essentially the password that allows broadcasting software like OBS to send your content directly to your Twitch channel. Look for the section labeled Primary Stream Key at the top of the page. Right beside it, you'll see a Copy button. Click on it to copy your stream key to your clipboard. This key is unique to your account and should be kept private, as anyone with access to it could potentially stream to your channel. With your stream key copied, it's time to open your OBS application. Once OBS is running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on File, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens the configuration panel where you'll connect OBS to your Twitch account. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with various categories. Click on Stream. This is where you'll configure which platform OBS broadcasts to and enter your stream key. At the top of this section, you'll see an option labeled Service. Right beside it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Twitch from the list of available streaming platforms. This tells OBS that you'll be streaming to Twitch specifically. Next, you'll want to click on Use Stream Key. This option allows you to manually enter the stream key you copied earlier, giving you full control over the connection. Now, locate the stream key field and paste the stream key you copied from Twitch. Simply click in the field and press Ctrl+V, or right-click and select Paste. Below the stream key field, you'll see an option that says Connect Account. Click on this button. This will open a browser window where you'll need to log into your Twitch account to authorize the connection between OBS and Twitch. Follow the prompts to complete the login process. Finally, look toward the bottom right of the settings window. Click Apply to save all your changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your stream key from Twitch and connected it to OBS, so you're now ready to start streaming. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.